This is your last chance to guess this Masked Singer. Tonight is the Masked Singer Season 11 finale, and we've got the Gumball going up against the Goldfish. But will this performance from the Gumball be enough to secure the win? Gumball has some stiff competition going head-to-head with the Goldfish, who's been a frontrunner since the beginning. But I mean, listen to how he pulls out his secret weapon, beatboxing. He did mention that he used to beatbox in one of his first sets of clues, but it's clear that he's doing everything he can to win here. And I, for one, am impressed. But will the Gumball take home that golden mask? And do you know the celebrity under the mask? Drop your guesses in the comments before tonight's finale. No cheating.